In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to download any video from Whop.com. And for that to happen, you gotta first of all download the zip file. After downloading it, as usual, you double click on it and then you unzip it. After unzipping it, it will be like this, and it will unzip usually in the same folder that you got. Open it. Here we go. See? So after doing that, you gotta go to the Chrome. You open the tab which is called Chrome dot dash dash extensions. Yeah, the top right to turn on the developer mode. After doing that, you click on the left on load Unpacked, and that's where you literally go to the location of the folder, which is called Frontend in this case. As you see, I'm choosing it, Frontend is selected, and it loads here directly. Now, since it's loaded, all we need to do is to come to Whop, refresh the page, and we can literally click on the extensions, click on Whop downloader, and it will detect the video. After it's detected, you just click on download video, you wait a little bit. Let's see what it's gonna take. Here we go. That's the video, and it will open the video directly.
All right. Welcome to the Make Money Online Whop. My name is Iman Gaji, and if you don't know me yet, some people refer to me as the course seller final boss.
Here we go, and that's it pretty much.